Welcome to the Insta360 family. You came to the right place. I think you have some troubles and you're trying to figure out how to get the mic Air hooked up to the Insta360 Luna Ultra. You already got it hooked up to the other cameras. It wasn't that hard, but maybe you're missing something. So let's show you the wrong way and then the right way to hook up. Well, my camera is in the off state as we speak. Let me turn the camera on. This has a wake up, a short press, just not waking up. There we go. It woke up and there's the mic, all hooked up and ready to go, right? So you want a second microphone. You say, hey, let me give this to my buddy, my crew member, so they could talk with me while doing a video. And we're going to hook it up the wrong way and show you some issues. I apologize if the screen is too small to see or I can't show it to you on the application or the extra muse is not doing a perfect job. Microphone and the gain bar. If we swipe down and then from the right side swipe over to the left, we have the wireless mic and accessories. If we click on the wireless mic, you can see we have mic 1 hooked up. We have omnidirectional, audio gain, low cut, 32-bit float, stereo internal recording, record with internal audio, loop recording, internal audio files, child lock, and power button function, and vibration feedback, auto power off, and that's about it. I for information, the Mic Pro, how to get it paired, and the Mic Air, how to get it paired. If we back out and we go into the wireless mic and I click on it, we have a picture of the Insta360 mic, information, single press for recording, double press for noise canceling. If you want to switch it to double press for recording and single press for noise canceling, that's where the double press button comes into effect. Triple press is always pairing. We have noise cancellation, LED indicator, voice tone presets, format, and then the serial number and version and how to delete off. In the noise canceling, we have weak and strong. And then in the next one, known as voice tone presets, we have standard, rich, and bright. You don't need to get the receiver. Everything that's on here, as well as your smartphone, can be ran via the transmitter information. So what I want to do is delete off the device. But before I delete off the device, I want to show you what's going to happen when we hook up microphone 2. We're going to turn on and long press for 6 seconds and wait for the blue light or green light to rapidly flash. There we are. The Insta360 Mic Air, hit it. Make sure you tap on it. Mic Pro is currently connected. Connecting Mic Air is not supported. This is telling you that 2 mics cannot be supported at this given time. No, you did not do anything wrong. The firmware is old. It needs to be updated. I'm just showing you some of the issues if you do not update the firmware and thinking of hooking up the mic. These are the issues you will have. If you come to the Mic Pro and you turn it off, I apologize if I did not hold the button strong enough. Long press with the buzz shuts it off. If you still try to connect it, you still get the same reading. You have to wait for the overlay to go away. Back out. If you come over here to the 3 dashes and you delete off the Mic Pro and delete it off and confirm. In the Mic 2, pay attention to what's going to happen. This is going to connect in here And the next few steps, you're going to see this mic Air transfer over to mic 1. In mic 2, it's going to search. We need to repair. We have to shut down, turn back on for over 6 seconds, rapidly flashes, and retry. This is the retry, or this is the retry. And the mic Air shows up and goes through this repeated process. 99% of the time, you'll get this. 1% of the time, you may get this connected perfectly. If you come here and hit connect as quickly as you can, you are connected with the mic Air. In order to get rid of this, you need to shut off the microphone. It's kind of telling you that your wireless mic firmware version is too low. It's outdated. Visit the application to load up. And I'll show you that in a few minutes' time. So let's hit the got it. Single press, double press, triple press, and long press we went over with the Mic Pro. So let's X out and show you where the mic Air is now connected to. Not to microphone 2, but to microphone 1. You have 3 dashes, delete off the device, and confirm. If you try to load it to microphone 1, long press to the rapid flash, connecting, you get the same issue. Now, if I shut the microphone off and I shut the camera down, I'm going to remove this. And if I want to turn the camera on, I can still do it with the Insta360 Mic Air, as it will turn on. Right now, it's not doing it, but it will turn on. So what we're going to do is disconnect the microphone altogether. We shut it off, hit got it, swipe down, swipe over, go to the mic, hit the 3 dashes, and delete off. What I want to do now is I want to reconnect my Mic Pro. In order to do that, we turn the mic on. It's a long press with the short vibration and blue light. 1, 2, 3. Rapid flashes, 1, 2, 3. Make sure you do it correctly. Hit the microphone 1 and connect. Within 5 seconds, we are connected. Okay, so let's take this, bring it out of the equation to the side, and go and upload our firmware. If I now go into the ME and I locate Accessories Settings, there is the Insta360 Mic Air transmitter and connect. 1.00.38 supports the 360 Luna series camera. If using the receiver, both the transmitter and receiver need to be updated. It is a 1 meg software update. As it loads up, as we near the 99-100%, upload is completed. And we are loaded with firmware. Now we're able to take our phone, shut it off, and bring over the Insta360 Luna Ultra and turn on. Now we are hooked up with the Pro mic in the background, the Mic Pro. We need to swipe down, swipe over to the wireless mic, and now we can add our second mic by pressing on it, shutting off the microphone, and turning it back on. Full 6 seconds, allow for the pair, rapid flash, the Mic Air, and press. Mic Pro is currently connected. The Mic Air is not supported. So now that means what we have to do is back out, come over here to the mic, swipe all the way down, delete off, because if we cancel, then we cannot add the mic air in. So let's add in the Insta360 mic air. It's got two color lights flashing, and the mic air is now connected. We have noise canceling LED, auto power off diversion, and the disconnect. And there we are, from mic 2 to mic 1. And let's see if we could connect the Mic Pro now. These two may not be allowed to be connected together. So what we need to do is go 1, 2, 3 quickly. Mic 2, Insta360 Mic Pro, and there you have it. 2 mic airs or 2 mic pros. You cannot hook up a mic pro and a mic air. We have tried just about everything imaginable to get things hooked up. So let's go into the mic air, delete it off, get rid of it, and do one thing that we did not do. In mic 2, hit the Mic Pro 2, connect up, and see where it has connected to. Hit the X like 3 or 4 times, and hit the backspace, and it hooks up to the very first one of the unit. Insta360 support, you need to correctly have each channel correctly used up. We are not doing anything wrong out there and doing our best to show that products may or may not work. 2 mic airs will, 2 mic pros will, but 1 and 1 won't. You do need to update the firmware in order to use the mic air. I prefer using this bad boy. And there is no magnet in here to hold. It's a little too heavy. But if I come and turn off my camera, give you a little hint in the back, please be careful when using anything of a magnetic source, because you can turn your camera on via the magnetic switch in the back of the camera, but you can't shut it off. I hope you enjoyed this video of me trying to help the people out there, something very simple, and thinking it's your problem. Oh yeah, I didn't forget. This is a DJI mic standalone. I turn it on. I hit this long press for flashing. I come over here to the camera. I don't need to lift the whole camera up. I take it off. I swipe down. I go over. I go to the wireless mic. I need to put it back in order to get the Bluetooth working. How sweet is that? It won't connect that particular way. I swipe down. I go over. I go to the wireless mic. I go to the mic 2. And I'm going to sit here searching and searching and searching. The DJI mic doesn't work.